Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, An Analysis and Study of Scripture. The idea of this channel is to be a thorough study through religious texts and topics. So what is this channel? This channel will provide lectures that cover the sacred texts of various religions. I will also study articles, books, documentaries, and other sources that relate to religion. I will read through the entirety of religious texts that religious groups hold or held sacred and analyze and study them thoroughly through study resources like commentaries, maps, and other sources. We will also study religious conflicts such as the Crusades, Sunni-Shia split, and others like the Holocaust. Goals of this channel are to learn about prominent religions of today and ancient religions of the past, to see how religion affects civilizations and their laws and culture, to understand why certain conflicts occur as a result of religion, and to inspire others to research religion and history. So as a disclaimer for this channel, it would be purely for objective learning. I won't share my personal opinions or biases in the videos. I will not promote anti-Semitism, Islamophobia, or any kind of hate towards any groups. And this series is meant to be purely educational to help guide people who are curious about religion. Some upcoming projects I came up right now is to read the Hebrew Bible first, the Tanakh, or the Old Testament. This is the sacred text for Judaism. Next, I'll read through the Bible or the New Testament, the Old and New Testament, and I'll gloss over the Catholic and Protestant sects of Christianity and explain the differences and all that. Next, I'll read the Quran, the sacred text of Islam. After that, I'll read any accompanying sacred texts, conflicts, and debates within these three major Abrahamic religions like the Hadiths, the Talmud, the Catechism, the Holocaust, crucifixion, and etc. And then after that, I'll look into other religions, myths, folktales, and anything else. Schedule for the channel, I'll try and upload Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, or any day of the week really, just once a week, depending on how busy I am. Purpose of the channel is to potentially stop hate and violence in the world due to ignorance. A lot of people, they'll assume beliefs and make assumptions about doctrines, and they don't know the full story or the truth about what people believe. So we'll try and bridge the gap there and promote peace. How to support the channel: I have a Facebook page, I have a GoFundMe fundraiser, I have an Instagram page, and a PayPal, so feel free to support the channel. New videos are coming soon, and thank you for watching.